for dessert, I have chosen one of my favorites, which is rice kheer, chawal ki kheer. It's because it's so creamy and it's going to have lots of cardamom, lots of dried fruits. It's just most comforting pudding, and it is quite nice because you can prepare it in advance, leave it in the fridge and serve it. Just leave it in the middle of the table and everyone can help themselves. And it's brilliant because it doesn't need loads and loads of ingredients. Starting with 1 liter of whole milk. Best to use whole milk because you want all the lovely creaminess, and I'm bringing it to a boil. And also I have got 120 grams of rice. I usually use basmati rice because that's what I have at home for cooking rice, and that's what I put in the kheer. So I've got 120 grams basmati rice and I've soaked it in some water for 15-20 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to bring this to a boil. I have got 4 green cardamom pods and I'm going to crush them in a pestle and mortar with the skin and then add it to the just about boiling milk. With the rice, I'm going to get rid of all the water and then crush it up. It just makes the kheer a bit more creamier and it cooks a bit faster. Now this goes into the milk and we give it a really good stir. And the key to getting the kheer right is to cook it on slow heat. Do not rush this, because if you cook it on really high heat, the milk can get stuck to the bottom of the pan and it will be burnt. It could take 40 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, but just keep a close eye on this. And every 5 minutes I'm going to come and stir this up. Now that the rice is cooked, it's become really nice, thick and creamy. I'm going to add the sweetness to it. So I'm using 200 grams of condensed milk and an additional 100 ml of milk, just to loosen it up very slightly. And most important, I am just slicing some cashew nuts, some almonds and some pistachios, and I've taken a handful of each, and all of that goes into the kheer. Good mix, and most important, a quick taste. I'm gonna dig in. I know it's really nice served cold, but there's something about warm kheer which is just so amazing. Please do try this at home. It's the creaminess of the rice and the milk and the lovely flavor from cardamom. Absolutely fantastic, and the nuts have their own flavor and crunch. I do hope you will enjoy this, and I am going to finish this bowl because it's got my name on it. And I will see you back next week for a brand new recipe. Hope you've enjoyed my Diwali recipe series. And if you want to see any other recipe series, then please let me know. Bye.